Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. The Supreme Court's recent ruling recognizing the invaluable contributions of homemakers marks a significant step forward in acknowledging the crucial role these individuals play in society. The court's decision emphasizes that homemakers' efforts cannot be measured solely in financial terms, highlighting the importance of unpaid work in maintaining households and families. This ruling comes at a time when discriminatory practices forcing women to abandon career aspirations due to marriage or domestic responsibilities have been condemned as unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. While this recognition is welcome, it raises questions about why such acknowledgement was necessary in the first place. The narrative surrounding homemakers often portrays them as unemployed despite their multifaceted roles in managing household chores, finances, and familial needs. This lack of formal acknowledgement and payment can lead to severe repercussions, including feelings of underappreciation that may result in tragic outcomes. Statistics from the National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) in India reveal alarming numbers. Out of 45,026 women who died by suicide in 2021, 23,178 were housewives. On average, 63 housewives took their lives every day in India alone. These figures underscore the critical need for meaningful recognition and support for homemakers. It is essential to break free from stereotypes surrounding homemakers and educate young people early on to respect all forms of work regardless of traditional gender roles. By reshaping narratives around homemakers while supporting their mental health, we can create a more inclusive and appreciative society. Ultimately, recognizing the value of homemakers' contributions is not just a matter of justice. It is imperative for societal progress. Their tireless work maintains the functioning of families and potentially even entire communities. Cultivating deep respect for this crucial work is essential for our collective advancement as a society. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.